Um, Medyo Manal Perez. I'm Medyo Good afternoon, sir. I'm Medyo Manal Perez. So, Rule 8. Action to avoid collision. Mm. A. Any action taken to avoid collision shall, if the circumstances of the case admit, be positive, made in ample time and with due regard to the observance of good seamanship. B. Any alteration of course and or speed to avoid collision shall, if the circumstances of the case admit, be large enough to be readily apparent to another vessel observing visually or by radar. A succession of small alteration of course and or speed should be avoided. C. If there is sufficient serum alteration of course, and alone may be the most effective action to avoid a close quarter situation, provided that it is made in good time, is substantial, and does not result in another close quarter situation. D. Action taken to avoid collision with another vessel shall be such as to result in passing at the safe distance. The effectiveness of the action shall be carefully checked until the owner vessel is finally passed and cleared. E. If necessary to avoid collision or allow more time to assess the situation, a vessel shall slacken her speed or take all way of by stopping or reversing her means of population. If 1. A vessel which by any of the rules is required not be impede the passage of or safe passage of another vessel shall, when required by the circumstances of the case, take early action to avoid to allow sufficient sea rooms for the safe passage of the other vessel. 2. A vessel required not to impede the passage or safe passage of another vessel is not relieved of the obligation if approaching the another vessel so as to involve risk of collision, and shall, when taking action, have full regard to the action which may be required by the rules of this part. Number 3. A vessel, the passage of which is not to be impeded, remains fully obligated to comply with the rules of this part when the two vessels are approaching one another so as to involve risk of collision.